Pocket Option or Quotex? Which one should you choose in 2025? Let's break it down in 90 seconds. Both Pocket Option and Quotex are popular binary options platforms. They offer fast trades, simple interfaces, and low minimum deposits, perfect for beginners and quick profits. Pocket Option stands out with social trading, a mobile-friendly app, and over 100 plus assets to trade. It also includes tournaments and cashback rewards for active users. Quotex is more minimalist. It offers lightning-fast trade execution, great charting tools, and an ad-free experience. It's perfect for focused, no-noise trading. Both of them have their pros and cons. Pocket Option offers social trading, cashback, and tournaments, but its interface can feel cluttered and it's not well regulated. While Quotex is fast, clean, and user-friendly, but lacks social features, has fewer rewards, and limited mobile access in some regions. So, which is better in 2025? If you like features, social trading, and rewards, go with Pocket Option. But if you prefer a clean, distraction-free platform, Quotex wins. Comment which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.